G'day, g'day. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can do 3-digit by 1-digit multiplication. The first thing you need to know for this is it really helps if you're very precise with your place value. You'll notice that with our numbers on the top, I've left lots of room in between my hundreds, my tens, and my ones. And that's a really good habit to get into when we're doing this. Second thing is it can be helpful just to draw a line so that's even more clear. So we've got hundreds, tens, and ones. If you haven't already had a look at the 2-digit by 1-digit multiplication, I suggest you start there and I'll put a link in the description. Otherwise, let's get straight into it. Okay, first step is we want to go 1 multiplied by 3. 1 times 3 is 3, and I record that in the ones column. This time I'm going to have 3 times by my 4 tens. Now I know 3 times 4 is 12. I can't write 2 digits in the ones column, can I? So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to write the 2 in the ones column and the 1 I'm going to record up here with the hundreds. Next step is I'm going to go 3 multiplied by 2 hundreds. And I know 3 times 2 is 6. And I've got one more up here, so 6 plus 1 is going to be 7. So I've now got 723. That's going to be my final answer for that one. Let's have a look at the next one. Once again, I'm going to separate my columns. So I've got my Now you notice I put an extra line in this time. So I've got ones, tens, hundreds, and this time we're going to need a thousands column as well. So I'll just put that in as well. All right, the first step is we've got ones multiplied by ones. So I've got 4 times by 9. 4 times by 9 is 36. Record the 6 with the ones and the 3 with the tens. Next step is 4 times by 4 tens. 4 times 4 is 16, and 3 more makes 19. I'm going to record the 1 with the hundreds and the 9 with the tens. Next step is 4 multiplied by 3. I know 4 times by 3 is 12, and 1 more is 13. I'm going to record the 3 with the hundreds, and the 1 I'm going to record with the thousands. That gives us our final answer. So 349 multiplied by 4 is going to be 1,396. If it takes you a little bit longer to do the 1 by 1-digit multiplications, that's okay. With more practice, you're going to get better and better. All right, let's have a look at one more. This time I'm not going to divide the columns up. I've got 9 multiplied by 6. 9 multiplied by 6 is 54. I'm going to record the 5 with the tens up the top and the 4 with the ones down the bottom. I'm then going to go 9 multiplied by 4. 9 multiplied by 4 is 36. And I'm going to add these 5 to it. 36 plus 5 is 41. I'm going to record the 4 with the hundreds and the 1 with the tens. Next step is 9 multiplied by 5. 9 multiplied by 5 is 45, plus 4 more is 49. I write 49 down the bottom. The 4 goes actually into the thousands place, and the 9 goes in the hundreds place. You will notice I do make a big deal about saying the places over and over. Even though that adds a layer of complexity, I think it's a really good habit to get into so that you can understand what's happening here. And at the same time, it's going to help you improve your place value knowledge. So that's my final answer for that one. 546 multiplied by 9 is 4,914. The last one I've got here, 8 multiplied by 5. All right, I know 8 multiplied by 5 is 40. I'm going to record the 4 tens with the tens, and I'm going to record the 0 in the ones column. Then I've got 8 multiplied by 4. I know 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. And I've got to add those other 4 onto it, so we don't just forget them. So we've got 32 plus 4, which is 36. I record the 30 with the hundreds and the 6 with the tens. Then we have 8 multiplied by 6 hundreds. 8 multiplied by 6 is 48. And we add 3 more to it, so we've got 51 in total. I record the 5 with the thousands, the 1 with the hundreds, and that gives me my final answer of 5,160. Have a practice of doing a few of your own. Remember, practice makes progress, always with maths. I'll drop some links in the description of some other videos and resources that I think you might find helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.